How to download and install Terraria on PC and laptop. So first, you just have to go to any web browser and then type Steam, and you will see at the top right corner or at the top above, you can see here install Steam. What you're going to do is to tap that one, and you will see this one install Steam. Okay, so you have to tap this install Steam button. And once you tap this, you will be notified that it will start downloading here. Once done, you just have to open, run as administrator. Now click next, okay, next, and then once done, click install, and then click finish. Okay, then you can close this one, click finish, and you can now open your Steam application here. Now, what you're going to do is to simply go to the search icon and then type Terraria. And then once you found it, just click. And as you can see, you have to pay for this amount in order for you to purchase this game. Now scroll down and then click add to cart. But of course, you have to pay for this amount here. Okay. And then after that, you have two choices. Purchase for myself or purchase as a gift. So let me tap this purchase for myself. And then okay, select the payment method, click continue. And once you have purchased this one, you can go back, go to your library, and then you can now start playing this Terraria game. As easy as that. Thank you so much for watching and see you again in our next videos.